2027 Mercedes-AMG GLC 53 Coupe, and this is the car we all have been waiting for. The 6-cylinder finally arrived in the GLC. The new midsize SUV, which now has the 6-cylinder, the latest and greatest version of it, with amazing sound, which we'll listen to as well, so stay tuned for that. This one is the special version with the golden accent package, and this package is absolutely stunning, I have to tell you this, and we will take a closer look at all the details which make this beautiful golden accent package the car which you really want to have. So this one is finished in the obsidian black metallic, and it has the AMG Design Package Plus. It has exterior package AMG Night Package and Night Package 2 as well, and these gorgeous Y-shaped wheels, and these are with golden accent on the perimeter and also on the inside, with black AMG calipers with white lettering, Pilot Sport for SUV, and check out the AMG logos, and this detail is absolutely stunning. With the Night Package 2 or Extended Night Package, all the badges are in dark chrome, so they are darkened, but not black, dark chrome, so just enough. And also the grille is darkened, and AMG logo is only thing which is in chrome. Also one thing is in chrome, dark chrome, which I will show you as well. On the surrounding, as you can see, everything is darkened, and also we have this nice AMG logo, and this is on the rear doors. It has a black matte finish and also gold accent to it. The rear wheels are wider for better traction, so that's great as well. 295/35, and these are ZR21, so wider. And check out this coupe silhouette. It looks absolutely stunning. Also the SUV version is available, of course, so let me know which one is your favorite, the SUV or the coupe. The coupe is more stylish one and the SUV is more practical, but even the coupe is enough practical in my opinion. But let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. So this is the rear view with this really gorgeous spoiler, this small lip we can say, and 4 rounded exhaust pipes, and everything looks so brutal from the back as well. Also it is really similar to the GLC 43 as well. So the AMG is now on the left side with dark chrome, and on the right side we'll have the GLC 53. So this is the new model, and it is replacing the 43, and we will see what will happen with the 63. So these are the oval quad pipes, and just a stunning obsidian black metallic. Looks absolutely stunning. This is the lip. It's quite a large one, so it is distinctive, and it just works so well. So this is the boot. As you can see, it's on the smaller side comparison with the SUV, but nonetheless to me this is fine, and it is a nice family car which many people will love. So let me know your choice, the SUV or the coupe. Of course SUV is less expensive and more practical, so it's a sort of a winner we can say, but this one is more practical. Also with the tow bar you can tow bikes, cargo box, bunch of stuff, trailer, anything what you want. And this is of course power operated, the tailgate. And yeah, so beautiful. I really love this edition, and it looks really gorgeous in my opinion. Check out the door handles, they are also with dark chrome. And now we will go ahead and check out the engine space, which is hiding something what we have been waiting for so many years. So 3, 2, 1, and here we have this beautiful 6-cylinder. This is the latest Evo version of it, and as you can see it looks really gorgeous, but what is even better is the sound, which we'll listen shortly. And this one is powered by the 3.0 liter 6-cylinder, 449 horsepower and 23 horsepower from the mild hybrid, 600 Newton meters. The engine is paired to AMG SpeedShift TCT 9G, so 9 gears, and this is the latest emission version. Of course, the acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour takes only 4.2 seconds. And later I will also drive this car and I will tell you the exact GPS number of the acceleration. The top speed is limited to 250 km per hour, 155 miles per hour, and this is a 4-wheel drive. This car also has a drift mode as a first SUV in the AMG lineup. Now let's go ahead and listen to the revs of this new Evo version of the 6-cylinder. So as you could hear, this exhaust is newly developed exhaust and it has so much loudness, is absolutely fantastic. Also on the hood, check out the AMG Darken Falterbach badge. Looks absolutely stunning as well. Here we have the GLC 43. This is the coupe version, and look at this one, how gorgeous it looks in a graphite gray. This is the manufacturer paint. Absolutely stunning vehicle in this configuration, in this spec. And it also has the AMG Night Package 2 or extended night package. So the Panamericana grille here is darkened with dark chrome, which gives it even more badass look than without it, of course. And we have also the AMG Dynamic Plus package, which gives you dynamic engine mounts and also red brake calipers, and of course the race mode. So the whole car looks even more sporty and has real sportiness added to it in terms of the more performance and of course better drive in the corners and this sort of stuff, because it really helps with the race mode and also active engine mounts. So this is even better. And I also really love the red brake calipers. They are looking really fantastic. So from the side, the GLC Coupe is really popular for a good reason, because it looks so floating and aerodynamic. Really beautiful. Let me know what you think about this one in the comment section down below. If you would go for the SUV or for the coupe, personally I prefer the SUV, but maybe I would go for the coupe. It's a really difficult choice because both of them are looking so great. So it is something to think about. The price difference is not big, so that's also really great. Let's go ahead and check out the engine bay here. So this is a one special engine. This is a unique engine in terms of the what it can offer in this displacement. So we have 2.0 liter 4-cylinder, but pushing out 421 horsepower and 500 newton meters of torque, or 369 pound-feet of torque. And acceleration 0 to 100 kilometers per hour takes only, or 62 miles per hour, takes only 4.8 seconds, and to 60 miles per hour it takes only, and I would say only, 4.7 seconds. So this truly is a special in terms of the power, what it can get. And personally, I find this engine a masterpiece, because for this displacement 2 liters, this is just crazy what we are getting now. And this engine is so racy, so it offers really a sports car feeling and of course performance as well, for I would even say a great deal. So in my opinion, this is a engine which I absolutely love. It came here in the A-Class A45S and CLA 45S, GLA 45S, and currently in the GLC 43, GLC 63 and C-Class 43 and C63S. That's e-performance. And check out here, this is a one man, one engine. So here is a signature of a person which actually handcrafted this particular engine in Falterbach, Germany, the home of AMG. So this is just engine which I really love. And check out the turbocharger here. Absolutely massive So that's truly something else what we are getting here. And let me know your opinion in the comment section down below. What do you think about this 2.0 liter petrol performance engine? So as you had a chance to see, it also goes from the right exhaust and also right now. So it really depends on the load on the engine. Then it can release the right side as well. So yeah, just to show you that it's of course working from both of these sides. And this is how the rear view camera looks. You can see here. Now with the fumes, it looks so badass. Really, really fantastic. Alright guys, so here in the GLC 43, and look at this beautiful interior. This is the familiar concept with driver screen and central screen, but I really appreciate how this layout works, and you can see lots of trim here. And this one is like a metallic design and AMG logo, really nice. Here we have two cup holders. They are adjustable of course, and USB-C ports, two of them illuminated, wireless charger for a phone, some storage space, glove compartment, perfume diffuser, and check out there is also perfume. This is the Tiger 63 interior perfume. So you can open this for the ventilation, so there is like a small gap, and you can also open it fully, so you can have fresh air in the vehicle, unlike new cars which don't really allow this with fixed sunroof. So with this one it is possible to close it, open it, the glass is tinted, and also you have sunshade. If it's too sunny, you can close it as well, like this. So you can close it, and these are the AMG genuine leather seats. You can see these are also ventilated and also heated with these microfiber inserts, red stitching, AMG logo, really gorgeous seats, and I do love them. And here on the AMG steering wheel you have these modes, so for the exhaust, and here on the AMG steering wheel, which consists from the microfiber and Nappa leather, we have also these controls, so you can change from the slippery mode, individual, comfort, sport, sport plus, and the race mode. So the car is fully warmed up. So of course some noise is pumped in via the speakers, but also we have real sound from the exhaust. So we heard it also from the outside. It is a real sound as well. And that's really nice as well for the GLC. Let's go ahead and check out the rear section of the vehicle, which for the coupe is a little bit smaller in terms of the sloping than in the SUV, but it is not as bad as you may think. So let's go ahead and check it out. And also the headroom, nice and solid. We have also heated seats, check these out. Door cards, here is storage space, water bottle, and some other things, so nice and spacious. And check out here how much space we actually have. Really nice. I'm actually quite surprised with this. So this is a nice, I would say 8 centimeters, like 3 inches storage space here. And also I really like this ambient lighting, and also there in the doors. In the middle we have a AC panel, so this is 4-zone AC unit. And also these air vents, of course, which are adjustable. Underneath we have 2 USB-C ports as well. And here of course are the anchor points for the child seat. So these are the ISOFIX anchor points. We have 3 buckles here, so this is a 3-seat bench in the rear section. You can also fold out the middle armrest, and here if you press you have a place for the tablet or smartphone, and press one more time and you will get the cup holders, which are adjustable and sort of hidden. Nice and spacious for 2 arms, and really nice and cozy here in the back. Alright, so here in the back I would say I have a nice amount. So this is how much? I would say 1.5 inches, around 5 centimeters of headspace or headroom, and I'm 184 centimeters, 6 feet and just below 6 feet and 1 inch. So that's my exact height. I got measured recently, and for these reasons I would say that this is a upper limit. Maybe a little bit more than me, a little bit taller people than me can fit here as well, of course, but for me it's really comfortable and not hitting my head at all, and I can sit here normally. I don't need to slouch forward. So for this reason I would rate this really great. And for kids this is a plenty of space, and also visibility here when I'm looking, it doesn't really block my view, maybe a little bit here but not much. So I would say, and for kids no difference. So yeah, I would say that this is really great in terms of the practicality, and for this reason I give it thumbs up. And let me know how do you like the front from the rear. I'm really curious to hear your thoughts.